most of us already know. So hopefully it's not too bad of a day. Alright. Triangles. We know what a triangle is, right? 3 sides. Question. Anybody off the top of the head know how many degrees are in a triangle?
180.
180. Sweet. We're like half done. Something that is really important is angles. Okay, so if you got inside stuff, those add up to be 180. A lot of times people try to add sides instead of equal to 180. That's not a thing. Only the angles add up to be 180. Alright, the other thing we're going to talk about today is something called an exterior angle. Exterior means outside. So if I have an angle that's kind of like an extension of a side, outside, you see one is outside the triangle. If I take that angle, it's the same as if I add the two inside, but not next to. Okay? So I want you to write a little 4 here that represents that angle. You just told me that if I add all the angles in a triangle equals how much? 180. What if I look at angle 1 and 4? What should those add up to be? 180. Why is that?
Because it's on a line.
Because it's a line, yeah, it's a linear pair. So if it's true that 2, 3, and 4 add up to be 180, and then 1 and 4 add up to be 180, don't you think it's true that 2 and 3 have to be the same as 1?
Duh.
Crazy.
180 divided.
So in here I want you to write,
They're all 60.
if I add angle 2 and angle 3, that has to be the same as our outside angle. Something that can get kind of confusing is that it's the one not next to. So it's not the one next to like angle 4, it's the other two in your triangle. If you add these two, it's the same as this outside one, the one not next to it. That kind of makes sense? So if I'm trying to find angle 1, I can add the two angles not next to 1, so not this one, but these two. I can add them up in the same thing. So like if this is 20 and this is 30, this angle has to be 50 because they're added together. Okay, and we're going to practice with them. Everybody got this down?
Those.
Yes?
Okay.
Alright,
Happy now?
so if I look at number 1, I have a triangle, and I have my angles inside the triangle, right? You told me triangles add up to be how much? 180. So if they all three add up to be 180, and I know one's 37 and one's 24, how can I find angle 1? Yeah, add these two together and subtract 180. So we're going to take 180 minus 37 minus 24. If you don't have a calculator, go grab one. Looks like we do. Thank goodness. When I subtract, how much is left for angle 1?
119.
119. Everybody agree? Good deal. In number 2, notice angle 1, is it inside or outside my triangle? Outside. So if I take the two angles inside, but not next to, so that one's next to, not that one. If I take these two and add them, I get angle 1. So in your calculator, 76 and 52, 128. Okay. Number 3, I have an outside angle, right? This time I know my outside's 104. How does that help me find angle 1?
Subtract that from 180.
Okay.
Or 180 minus 104.
Okay.
And then you get the one on the other side.
Yeah.
And then you do 79 plus 76 minus 180.
Okay. So that totally works. You can take 180 minus this and get this angle. Add these two and then subtract it from 180 again.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can use that exterior thing
Yeah.
where these two that are not next to have to add up to the outside.
Oh.
So my 79 degrees plus my angle 1 have to add up to be my outside. You'll get the same answer, it's just a little bit more.
Yeah.
So to find angle 1, what do I gotta do?
104 minus 79.
Yeah, 104 minus 79 and I get
25.
25.
Only got one.
That exterior thing is kind of confusing. If you prefer to do the 180 and find your angle that way, that's totally fine with me. Questions on 1, 2, and 3? Okay. Alright. We start to get a little more complicated because we got more than one triangle. There's nothing we can't handle. I like to say which one's the easiest to find. And number 4, what's the easiest one to find right away? Angle 1? Okay. How can I find angle 1?
66 plus 84.
And then what?
180 minus the.
Good. I know my triangle adds up to be 180, so I take out the two angles that I already know on there, 84 and 66.
Yeah.
And how much is left for angle 1?
30.
30? Even?
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So angle 1 has to be 30. What's my next easiest angle to find?
3.
3. How can I find 3?
180 minus 84.
180 minus 84.
How?
Because right here, we got a line, right? So they gotta make a linear pair. So how much is left for angle 3?
96.
96. You can check by doing that exterior angle thing. And if I take 30 and 66, do I get the same thing? Yeah. So angle 3 has to be 96. Last angle, angle 2. How can I find it? Yeah. Subtract the two angles that you have, 96 and 43. And 41 is left? Good deal. Are you sure? Yes. Good there? Okay. And number 5. Which one's easy to find?
1.
Angle 1, how do I find 1?
90 minus 43.
90 minus 43. Because you know 180 minus 90 is already 90.
47.
47?
I think that's right. Yeah.
I don't know, I'm trusting you. I didn't get it. Angle 1 is 47. How can I find angle 2?
180 plus
180 minus 43.
180 minus 43. What else can I do? Turn
What?
I think you were going to say it.
I don't understand this.
Right here, bud. I got a line, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so things that make a line add up to be 180.
Mm-hmm.
So if I take 180 minus 43, so like if you take this line and subtract out this, I'm left with angle 2. What am I left with?
137.
137, which should be the same as 90 and 47, which it is. If I add the two,
Oh, 30.
not the next two, 90 and 47, that should equal angle 2. And my last one, angle 3. How can I find it?
Wait, is that number 3 180?
Angle 3 is 180. The whole thing? The big straight line?
I don't know. Is it 31? I don't know.
I got 31.
You got 31. How do you get 31?
I did 12 plus 137 minus
Mhm.
180.
Yeah, so you got your 12 and your 137, and you take that away from 180, because we got a triangle here. So when you subtract those all out, you're left with 31, you said?
Yes.
Questions? Okay. They get a little more complicated, but if you remember the stuff we've learned in previous chapters, they're not too bad. Which angle do you want to find first, number 6? Angle 1, how can I find 1, Parma?
Add 61, 68,
Yep,
and minus that, 180.
so take 180 minus your two angles that are already in there. When you add them up, then you get 129, right? So 180 minus 129.
51.
81. Angle 2 is even easier to find.
It's too easy.
It's 61. How'd you get that, Karma?
What? Where I put 29.
It's vertical.
Vertical angles. So these have to be the same. Vertical angles are the same. So 2 has to be 61. And last one, how can I find 3?
90 plus 61 minus 180.
90 and 61, if I add them together, I get 151, right? And then subtract that from 180. And how much is
29.
left equal 3? What?
29.
29?
29.
Thank you. We're just cruising right along. Number 7 has an interesting little factoid up at the top. It tells me BC, so this line here, intersects angle ACB, so this line here. What does it mean to bisect?
Cut in half.
Cut in half. Okay, what does this little box thing mean?
90 degrees.
90. So if I cut in half here, I have 2 equal things.
45.
They're each 45, yeah. If I cut 90 in half, I'm left with 45 and 45. So angle 2 and 3 are each 45. How can I find 1?
It'd be 45 plus 48
Yeah.
minus 180.
52.
Oh, they curved right. Oh no. 45 and 48 gets me to be 93?
Oh no, the answer is 87.
This is 52.
I want to know why it's not rating. Oh, there we go. Okay. So when you subtract it from 180, you get what?
87.
87
For angle 1?
for angle 1?
Yeah.
Angle
Yeah,
I
you
got
guys agree?
52.
No, angle 4 is 52.
So 1 we got to be
Oh, I see.
57. You guys agree with that?
Yes. It's
Okay, angle 1 is it again?
87.
Angle 1 is
57.
Is that what you told me?
I said I got 87.
Oh, 87. Angle 1 is 87.
Yes.
Oh.
This
I
hair
was
is
too busy
messing
with
me
my
up.
marker not showing up. Sorry. Then how can we find angle 4?
83 minus.
Yep.
45.
Yeah.
And it's
Subtract
50.
out your 83 and your 45.
52.
And you got
Minus
52 there?
180.
Yes.
Yeah, I was just mixing them up. Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Questions there? No, we're okay?
Yeah.
Flip the back
Oh,
side.
too much work.
Too much work. Let's skip
All
number
of them?
8. I think we're okay there. I'm just a mess. Number 9. What does that little thing next to 9 say? What does it mean?
L is parallel to M.
L is parallel to M.
Yo.
Oh, you're so smart.
I like parallel lines
Yep.
because we got angles that are related to each other, right?
Yo.
If I look, ignore this part, if I look at this line, and this angle 49, is there another angle that's the same thing?
Yo.
4,
One.
yeah, why 4?
Oh.
What's it called?
Oh, alternate interior.
Alternate interior, good.
49.
So 4 has to be 49 because they are alternate interior angles.
And 1
You
Yes.
got anything else that follows that pattern?
1 and 73.
1 has to be 73 because
Bruh.
they are alternate interior.
No, I thought it's.
What?
No, because this is flipped upside down, ain't it?
What's up then?
This is flipped upside down, right?
Flipped upside down.
Forget
If you ignore this side, these two are on the opposite side, but they're both inside your lines.
it. So send this and this and this blue thing.
No, just these two are the same. How can I find what else I'm missing?
To
What
find
did you find?
3, you could do
3?
180 minus 73.
Yeah, right here I got 180. So, oh boy, 180 minus 73 leaves me with
Or no 7.
107. So
You're
3
so
has to be 107.
Done.
What else is easy to find? 2? How can we find 2?
Same thing.
Same things. So I take 180 and subtract out what? 73 and 49. Yeah, I had a little triangle deal. Or you can use a straight line here. Either way. What does angle 2 end up being?
Angle 2,
58.
58.
You guys agree?
Yep,
Yeah.
so I did it. It's correct.
You're right.
And last one. How can I find angle 5?
180 minus 49
180
equals
minus
131.
49 Equals 131
Yep.
because we got a straight line here.
Yes.
You can, because if you have a line here, you can combine 2 and 1 and it will be equal. But it's not just equal to 2. Does that make sense? Alright. The next ones get a little bit more complicated. We got lots going on in these next two. Alright. Find me an angle that is nice to deal with.
6.
6? What do you know about angle 6, Karma? Yeah, I got 2 of them that have to be 90, and I know one of them is 52. So I'm just going to do what?
Wait, what's
90 minus 52.
Divided by two.
Perfect. And I'm left with
5.
38? Or 48?
38.
38. Okay. So angle 6 is 38.
How'd you get 38?
Because we got a little box here, which means 90. Subtract out your 52.
52 plus 90.
No, subtract them. Because you got the little box thing here. That means 90, right? So I know these two added together are 90. So take your 90 minus your 52 and you're left with 6.
Wait, is angle 4 94?
Is angle 4 94? How'd you get that?
180 minus 86.
Oh, because you got a straight line?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So Alex
22 is
says
45.
angle 4 has to be 180 minus 86. So you got, what's your 94?
Yeah, it would.
Alternate interior.
94 for angle 4?
Yeah, but look, 90 split in half.
But it's 45.
Boom. 3 is easy
That's
too.
how
Why?
round.
Yeah, I got a triangle. So 180 minus 90 minus 52. And I'm left with
38.
38. So angle 3 is 38.
What? I thought it was 45.
No. Then angle
no,
2.
It's not bisected.
Angle 2 is 52
Why?
because it's alternate exterior,
Close.
interior.
Alternate interior. Also, you can take 90
I
minus
told
38 and you get 52 again. So angle 2 is 52.
Yes.
That leaves us with 1 and 5. Which one do you want to do first?
So 5 would be 94
How do you know that?
because it's alternate interior. Or is not right?
1 and 5 combined to make 90, so I highly doubt 5.
5 is 38, is it?
34.
Oh,
What'd you get, Karma?
34.
For which angle?
5.
Angle 5, how'd you get it?
38 minus 86. Or 38 plus 86 minus 90.
Minus 90? You're close. You got this triangle here, right? Triangles are how much?
180.
180. So
Oh.
when you add those two, subtract it from 180. So you're 86 and you're 38.
and 1 is 56. Right? No, that's not right.
5 is 56.
5 is 56.
What? I thought you said 5 was 34.
I got it wrong.
No, we corrected it.
Okay.
What do I know about angle 1 and angle 5? They have to be 90. So if I know
that
5
one's 34.
is 56, I can subtract that from 90 and get
34.
34. There's a lot going on in that one. But that's okay, we survived.
There's another hurricane.
Questions on 10?
This way. So, 52.
Okay. 11. Give me an angle that's easy to find.
2.
2. Why is 2 easy to find, Karma?
Vertical.
Because it's vertical. How big is 2?
71.
71.
And I have this one. Oh crap.
What else is easy to find now?
1,
1. How can I find 1?
47 plus
Yep.
71
Yep.
minus 180
Good.
is 62.
180 minus 71 minus 47. You got what?
62.
62 for angle 1.
Wait, is 3 and 5 109?
Ooh, how'd you get that, Tyra?
Oh, I got it right, didn't I?
You did.
Ooh!
How'd you get it?
108. Wait, 701. Wait, no,
701.
71. Okay, 180 minus 71.
Yeah, you got a straight line here. So 180 minus 71 left us with 109, right? So which angles are 109?
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Once you found 1, the other one was vertical. So 3 and 5.
And 4 is 35.
How'd you get 4 to be 35?
36 plus 109 minus 180.
So 180, subtract out your 109, subtract out to 36. And angle 4 is how much?
35.
35.
Is it 862?
8 is 62. Ooh, good Karma. Why is 8 62? You got it. It's on the
Just
tip of your tongue, I know
excited
it is.
Alternate interior.
Perfect. Alternate interior. Karma, notice that we got these little triangle things, which means they are alternate interior. So if this angle is 62, 8 has to be 62. Does that apply to anything else?
6. 1 and 6.
4 and 6. So how much does 6 have to be?
35.
35. Anything else?
7.
7 is
has to be
47.
47. See, doesn't that make it so much easier when we're looking at something like that? Good catch, Karma. Okay. We can all breathe.
And
That
skip
got
the rest.
you super a lot. But I'm glad we got it, right?
Right.
Okay. Now we got our algebra stuff, which isn't too bad because I know we all love algebra.
We should only do 2 of them.
Oh, we'll do all of them. That's okay. I got a triangle. What do I know about triangles?
Equal 180.
They equal 180. So what do you think I should do with all those things?
Add them all.
Add them all in.
Equal 20.
Equal 180. Alright, let's write them out. I got 5x minus 2 plus 9x plus 3, sorry. Plus 11x minus 21. And you said when I add them all, they should equal 180. Okay. Let's combine like terms. I have 11x and 9x
25x
plus 5x gives me a total of 25x.
minus 20.
Negative 2 plus 3 minus 21 gives me a negative, what did you say, bud? 20. From there, I gotta do what?
Oh, x equals 4.
Hold on.
Wait, no, equals 8.
Hold on.
Add 20.
Add 20 to get 2 hundo. And then when I divide by 25, I get what, Tyra?
8.
8.
4.
What?
So x is 8.
Look at that.
How can I find how much angle D, E, and F are?
Okay.
You just plug,
Plug it in. Sweet. If I plug it in for D, 5 times 8
38.
minus 2.
5 times 8 is not 38.
No, she subtracted 2 out, though. I got her.
Yeah, that's right.
So 40 minus 2 is 38. If I plug it in for E, I got 9 times 8
75.
plus 3 gives me 75. F, I want you to plug in as well. Don't be subtracting 180. So 11 times 8 minus 21. How much is that? 67?
Yes.
On a quiz test, I can check by adding all of those and it better equal
180.
180. It
Even
does.
the 8.
No, not the 8. Just my green stuff. Questions? No? Okay. 13. We're going to try to add a simple way. If it's okay. Let's combine like terms first. If I have 10x, 4x, and x, how much total x do I have? 15x. I have a negative 22, a negative 4, and a plus 11. I got what? Negative 12? You
What?
sure?
I got 15. Negative 15.
I got negative 15.
Already?
Oh, yeah.
I bet you forgot your
Oh, yes.
And when I add them all, it should equal what? 180. Anybody confused where I got this stuff? We're good? Okay. When I add 15, I get what on the right hand side? 195, which means x is
13.
13. Alright. You guys got P, you got Q, you guys got R. Plug them in. Let me know what you got. You got what shape for R? 24.
I didn't even start.
You guys got P?
Yeah, 126.
126? How about Q?
Easy.
30.
30?
I know, that's why I didn't do
When I add my box up, what should I get?
180.
You're 180. Are we good on those?
That's why I
Okay.
used section.
The last two that we have are exterior business. Remind me what I know about my exterior angles and my two inside angles that aren't next to them.
They're the same or something.
They're the same. What do I do with these two?
Equal them to each other. Add them.
Add them. Yes, good. And it's equal to my outside one. Okay, so if I add these two, 13x minus 11 plus 4x plus 1, it is equal to my outside angle, 18x minus 15. Okay, on the left, how much x do I have?
You have
17.
17.
17x minus
10.
10. On the right, I still have 18x minus 15. What's should I do next?
Minus 17.
Minus my 17x, I have 1x. Then what?
X is
You have 5.
X is 5. Okay. Plugging in, these angles get to be a little more confusing than the other ones. Angle CAB, all you gotta do is follow your lettering CAB. So we're talking about this angle right here. I plug 5 in, 13 times 5 minus 11. How much is that angle?
It's gonna be 54.
54?
Yep.
You guys just gonna press higher?
Yeah.
Okay.
Different.
No, it's not.
I don't know.
Yes, it is.
Use 13
calculator, how about
times
that?
5 minus 11.
Oh my god.
13 times 5 minus 11.
You add them, right? You get the.
Idiots.
It's 54. It is correct.
Thank you,
just give me
Judge Alex.
ACB, or I'm sorry, ABC. ABC, so we're talking about this angle here. This one's easy. 4 times 5 plus 1.
21.
21, I believe on that one. Let's do this bottom one first. Angle DCB, that's this angle here. So plug into here. 18 times 5 minus 15.
It's gonna be 75.
75.
Yeah.
So then how do I find this angle inside right here?
Which one? Where?
The red dot that I made.
You got
plug
it.
X into CD and minus that by 180.
Yeah, so we plugged in 75, so take your 180 minus your 75, and we get that angle to be 105. Ooh, 105. Sorry, they got you this way. To check, 54 and 21 better be 75, because that's how we set up our equation to be. If you add the first, oh my goodness. Oh boy. If you add the first three, okay, I'm just gonna stop. You should get 180. Okay, last one. I have an exterior angle, I have two non-adjacent interior angles. How do I set up an equation?
7x minus 32 plus 5x minus 17 equals 1x.
I mean, it was alright too. Holy moly. That was pretty impressive, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm stuck that fast. Oh my job.
That was good. Combine your x's on the left, 7x and 5x give me. Negative 32 and negative 27 give me.
Wait, what?
Where's combined?
Oh, wait, 32 plus 20, negative 59.
Negative 59. On the right, I still have 9x minus 8. Subtract your 9x, we get 3x. Add your 59 to your negative 8, and we get 51. Which makes x how much?
Wait, what? Negative 8.
17.
17. What's wrong, bud?
Oh, wait, you got 51, right? Wait, 3x.
I got 17. You guys plug into the first one. You guys plug into the second one. You guys plug into the last one.
J. K. So we're sorry for those who got the hard one.
One hard one.
Oh, wait, what am I doing?
I know how to do it. I think this one.
You should grade these. Fox gets 0.
JKL,
87.
you got A70 plugged in. 7 times 17 minus 32.
Yep.
Just trusting her. How about KJL? 50 what? 58. And the last one, KLM. What'd you say? 145. When I add these two, I better get 145. And to find the last one, take your 180 minus your exterior 145, and we get 35, right? Pretty sure. Alright. How we feel? Good, bad? Good? Awesome. Okay.